Buongiorno a tutti. Here we are again in my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today as the weather's starting to get really hot, I'm going to make a cold summer soup. Now that's absolutely not typical for this region. It's more of a Spanish thing if you think of a gazpacho, and that's what this is going to be. It's going to be like a cucumber gazpacho, but I'm making it all with local produce. So I'm going to use the cucumbers that grow here that are called caroselli. Of course, if you're making it, you can use a regular cucumber. And I'm going to blend it together with some yogurt, a little bit of onion and some rucola. That's going to give me a good flavor-based soup, so to speak, to which I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes and some black olives, some oregano and some good extra virgin olive oil, and a few chili flakes, a little bit of anchovy, and there you have the best of both worlds of the Salento in the south of Italy and of Spain, and a great summer dish. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you're going to need cucumber, yogurt, cherry tomatoes, rucola, olives, oregano, onion, anchovy, chili flakes, and some bread. I'm using a dried bread called freezer, but you can make croutons to make your own version. You're also going to need a little vinegar and some good extra virgin olive oil. We're going to begin by topping and tailing the cucumber and then roughly chopping it into chunks, which will make it easier to blend later on. I'm not going to remove the seeds because I don't have a problem digesting them. If you do, feel free to remove them. The only place I'm going to remove them is from one small section, as you can see here, because I'm going to cut it into thin slices to use as a garnish at the end. The final ingredient is a little piece of onion, which we're going to chop a little bit to make it easier to blend. And the final ingredient to add a savoury note to everything is a little bit of onion, which I'm also going to roughly chop. Then everything can go into the blender: the cucumber, the onion, a good handful of rucola, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of yogurt. No other liquid is necessary, and we're going to blend this through. As you can see, in next to no time, you start to get this lovely, light green and delicious cream. This just needs to be seasoned. We're going to add a good pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Then we're going to continue mixing it to get it blended in well, and then add the final touches, which are going to be a splash of white wine vinegar and some of your best extra virgin olive oil. Stir it through, give it a little taste, and when you're satisfied, you're almost ready to serve. Now that the soup is ready, we can put this in the fridge to chill and prepare the last ingredient, which is some crispy bread. I have this freezer, which is a traditional bread here, which is dehydrated and rock hard and crunchy, as you can see. This is fabulous, but if you can't get this, you can either toast some bread or fry some croutons. Now that you have all your ingredients, all you need to do is to put your soup together. First, pour in the cucumber soup itself. Smooth it down with a spoon to get it nice and level. We want it to look pretty. And then we can begin to add our toppings. We'll start off with the cherry tomatoes, which immediately add some lovely colour. Spread them out evenly all around. Next we're going to add those cucumber slices. And then we're going to go in with our crispy bread. Nice big chunks. It's going to be really good eating. Now we'll add the other ingredients. A few olives here and there. And for more seasoning and some great flavour, we're going to pluck an anchovy apart and spread this all around. This will give a great little blast of salty goodness. Then we're going to add some dried oregano. And I really recommend you add a few chilli flakes, which really heighten the flavour of everything. Bring everything together really well. The cucumber soup in itself is very mild, so a hint of chilli really works wonders. Final ingredients, your best extra virgin olive oil, and you're ready to enjoy. Buon appetito!